Hi everyone, this is Dr. Noman and I have done from my MBBS from Hamdard Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, Delhi, and I have secured a rank of 160 in INICET November 2021, and I've been a DAMS student for the past 3.5 years or so. I've joined DAMS in my third year and have done their foundation course plus the TND which they had, and it's been a pleasure to be in this institute for such a long time, and also for huge thanks to them for providing me with the knowledge to have secured this rank. And I would like to say to my fellow batchmates and juniors about my strategy, what I have done, and how this could benefit someone who has been preparing and who has not secured his rank in this particular exam. And well, I started my preparation from from the internship that was in the January 2020, and I joined the TND batch. I had made my notes in the classrooms, in DAMS classrooms, and I completed them with the help of the TND. I had divided for particular subject one week or so, and some big subjects 2 to 3 weeks as the TND schedule was, and I did my preparation throughout. And the TND really helped me. It helped me to get through with the clinical questions, and also provided me the speed to tackle these exams. And it was a good experience to be having been in this institute. And I would like to tell that getting a such rank, the main thing which matters is how you are going to score in those questions which you shouldn't be getting wrong, rather than those questions which are kind of like an outlier questions. So you should always make your basic concepts strong, so that you are getting the crux of everything, and you're getting the questions which are easy, you're making them correct, you're not doing any mistakes in them. And another essential thing which should be done is giving tests regularly, because one part is studying and the other part is sitting there for 3 or 3.5 hours and then doing the entire 200 set of questions in one go. So give regular tests. That's what has been my approach to give a regular test. Initially, I used to give one per month, and slowly increased it to twice or thrice per month. And the tests have been crucial. DAMS GTs are purely clinical based. They have really adapted with the new pattern, and it had really helped me to get through with those clinical questions. So my entire preparation has been with this basic concept to make my core subjects strong, and then work on the shorter subjects, because shorter subjects have actually played a very important role in getting in deciding the rank. As core subjects you'll be able to do, but short subjects, they have their weightage. If particular number of questions are to be coming from them, they will come, and then if you haven't done them properly, there's a high chance that you'll get that wrong. So it is really essential to go through with them also nicely. And it's been a pleasure to be sitting over here and giving this interview, and really thankful to the entire DAMS team. And I would suggest to my juniors and my fellow mates that no matter from where you have done your MBBS, or what you think your intelligence level is, or anything like that, just keep a target in your mind and work through with it. You will definitely be able to secure a rank. Make sure to just see the things in which you are weak and make them strong, and then work on it, and continue to keep striving and trying to achieve a score. In GTs, you can probably go for just see how many number of rights you are getting and try to increase that. And do not try to think about so much on how many wrongs you're getting wrong in the GTs. And thanks a lot for the DAMS team, and also I would say to my fellow mates that keep trying, and you will definitely achieve it. Thanks.